Hello, today I'm in Lexus UX. In this video I'll show you how to manage media panel. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car, and right here we've got the media panel. Press radio button to select radio, press media button to change source, press volume button to mute or unmute radio, and twist this button to change radio volume. Press these two buttons to change radio station, and press tune button to tune radio manually or select preset. And that's basically it. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.